Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this concept, the case statement in Google BigQuery. The case statement in Google BigQuery, it is allowing us to implement conditional logic within our SQL queries. It is commonly used to classify, transform, or filter data based on specific conditions. So now we are going to see this. Okay. So case, this is a syntax. So this is a case keyword and when and keyword. If it the condition one, then the results one it will be displaying. Okay. Then second, when condition two, then result two it will be displayed. Or else default result it will be displayed. And finally we need to give the end keyword. Okay. So this is the sales data. This is the input table sample table sales data. There are few columns like the transaction ID, product category, quantity, total price, and finally purchase date. So transaction ID we are having like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and product category like electronics, clothing, groceries. We have updated like that, and quantity, total price also. Okay. My requirement is if it is total price greater than or equal to 300, then it should display as high revenue. Then second is if the total price between 100 and 299, then it should display medium revenue. The column name should be revenue category. So you can also see this sample data, input data. The total price you can see, right? 500, 50, 300, 100, 150. So based on that, we are going to do this. Okay. So this is the output table. Here we are having transaction ID, product category, total price, revenue category. So that revenue category should be based on the total price. If it is greater than or equal to 300, then it should display high revenue. If it is this one like 100 and 299, then it should display as a medium revenue, friends. Okay. Now we are going to see this in the demo. Let's start the demo. Okay, sounds good. So actually I missed it one thing. Low revenue I have given us a end statement, else statement, friends. Okay, if it is high revenue, okay, it is fine. Then medium revenue. Third is if it is this condition is not matching, then it should as a low revenue. Okay, okay, fine. Now I am going to open the GCP console. So this is our Google BigQuery. So this is my data set, test data set. Now we are going to run it queries. So first I need to create a table. So just I'm copying this query and I am going to put it, friends. Okay. Now I need to just give me a second, friends. I need to increase the font size. Sorry for that. Every time we need to do this, friends. That's what the problem is. I apologize for that. Zoom in. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. I'm going to toggle this panel. Okay. So now you are able to see this, I guess. Okay, sounds good. So now I need to update the project ID here and replace this data set name. Okay, so let me duplicate this one so that it will be good for me to take the few details from here. Okay, so I'm taking the project ID here. I'm going to replace with this project ID, then my data set name. So data set name, already you know my data set name is test data set only. So you need to put your data set name, friends. So I'm putting as a test data set here. Test. Okay, so test data set. Fine. So now sales data, this is a table name. Okay, now we are going to create this table. Let's wait for that. Okay, the statement created a new table named sales data. So you can verify it also, friends, here. Just click refresh. Okay, let me refresh this here. and our sales underscore data has been created right now. Now, next step is we need to insert the records, friends. So you can see sales data has been created. Sounds good. And under the details, we can see there is no data to display. Okay, sounds good. Now we need to insert the records. So how to do that? I have the query also. I will attach this queries, friends, in the description. You can also see it. So insert view records. We are going to insert it. Now replace this with the project ID. Okay. So copy this project ID and dataset name here. Okay. So now we are going to insert this records, friends. Okay. So delete this. Okay. Now we are going to insert these records in the sales data. Okay. So this records has been added 5 rows. Now you can verify it here. Just click refresh. Maybe it won't come, I guess. So just click refresh, and under the details, under preview, we can see it, friends. Okay. Okay. So preview, I'm going to click it. So we have successfully uploaded the data, friends. Now my requirement is already I told, right? My requirement is this one only. So total price, if it is greater than 300, then it should display as a high revenue. Then second case is total price between 100 and 299. Then it should display as a medium revenue, or else it should display a low revenue. Okay. Now I'm going to execute some queries here. So okay. So just type select and column name transaction. My column name is transaction ID, right? So go to the schema. So copy this transaction ID. Okay, comma product category. Then product category. Okay, then comma total price. So I need this total price, friends. Okay, okay, fine. Now we need to use the case. Okay, case when this total price. Okay, this total price greater than or equal to 300. Okay, then it should display as a high revenue. Okay, okay. Second case. Okay, so when when this total price between, okay, between between 100 and 299. Okay, between 100 to 299, then it should display as a medium revenue. Okay, so that is very easy, friends. Okay, or else that's it. We have given the condition. Okay, now else just simply mention row low revenue. Okay, low revenue. That's it. If the condition is not matching, then it will display as a low revenue. Okay, then again as end as revenue category. So this is our column name. Okay, this is our column name category. Whatever name you can give it, friends. Okay, I'm giving as a revenue category from. Then here we need to give the project details, friends. Okay, so I'm copying from here it, friends. Just close this. So here you can copy this data. Okay, copy this table ID. So just put it here, title symbol. So somewhat we have done some error. So here we need to put some comma, friends. Okay, so here we need to put some comma. Now I am going to format this query. So this query is not good looking like this. Okay, okay, now sounds good. So this is the query, friends. Now we are going to run this query. Then let's see the results. Now I'm expecting this result, friends. Okay, so now I'm expecting this kind of results. Let's see. Okay, run this query. Let's see. Okay, so You can see friends right now. So if it is 300 or above 300, it should display as a high revenue. Yeah, it's good. If it is 100 and between 100 and 299, it should display as a medium revenue. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. And if it is not matching these two conditions, then it default low revenue. Else, it will display as a low revenue. So we have successfully completed this case statements, friends. So you can also try it from your end. So the basically the case statement, the statement BigQuery allows us to implement conditional logic within your SQL queries. It is commonly used to classify, transform, or filter data based on specific conditions. So thanks for watching, friends. So then, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about Google Cloud Platform. So today, we are entering into the 2025. Happy New Year, friends, and to your family also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.